Other news tonight, we turn now to an update on Kern County's weed wars and the potential conflict of interest case involving a past vote by Supervisor Leticia Perez. Her attorneys appeared before a judge today in Superior Court to address a motion claiming discrimination in this case. 17's Eitan Wallace was there, and he joins us now with the details. Eitan.
For starters, we should mention that Supervisor Leticia Perez did not appear in court today, but her criminal defense attorneys did, including H.A. Sala. He filed a motion yesterday claiming Perez is facing discrimination by the judicial system. In the motion, Sala argues that former District Attorney Lisa Green, who did not run for re-election and left the office in January last month, that she took on the case against Perez but did not take on similar cases involving non-Hispanic politicians. Last July, Perez was charged with 2 misdemeanor counts of conflict of interest for casting a vote in October 2017 to allow the marijuana industry into Kern's unincorporated areas. Perez's husband, Fernando Jara, was accused of being actively involved in consulting and lobbying for marijuana interests leading up to that vote. Perez has pleaded not guilty to the charges. Also, something else of note that happened in court today, Judge Thomas Clark ended a gag order on T.J. Esposito, who was one of the witnesses in Perez's case. That means Esposito is now free to speak publicly about the case. Today's judgment comes after students from the UC Irvine School of Law went before the judge on Esposito's behalf. Esposito is a former mayoral candidate and outspoken supporter of cannabis. He's also the editor of an independent news source page on Facebook called Valley Voice. Esposito says he was included in the gag order on false accounts.
The district attorney from Green's office wrote a declaration saying we're going to subpoena him as a witness because he was interviewed by one of our investigators. Well, there was never an interview. So right when they put that in, the judge signed it and I was under gag. It's a real shame that it happened, but I'm glad that we got justice today. The judge found in our favor, and I'm very thankful for the team from UC Irvine that they actually came in, have represented me pro bono to clear this up and to fight for my First Amendment, for all of our First Amendment rights.
We are happy with the relief given today because it allows him to continue with his job and duty to inform the people.
Now, that motion for discrimination has been postponed until February 22nd. That's when Leticia Perez's defense team and prosecutors are scheduled to appear before the judge. Also, former DA Lisa Green is scheduled to appear in court as a witness. In studio, Eitan Wallace, 17 News.
Eitan, thanks.